Chinese companies in Zambia on Friday held a job expo on the sidelines of the 95th Agricultural and Commercial Show aimed at attracting prospective job seekers. Organized by the Chinese Chamber of Commerce in Zambia, a total of 16 Chinese companies attended the event.
This platform provides unique opportunities to our esteemed local and multinational companies to scout for talent in an exclusive manner without discrimination, while at the same time ensuring economic transformation through increased productivity by a talented workforce that will be recruited here.
Events such as this Expo are in line with the government's aspirations of enhancing human and social development by equipping the youth with skills to enable them to participate in the national economy.
I came to apply for sales engineer. I'm very much confident because I have the document that is required for that same job.
Chinese, so we gotta stick together with them so that we can make something you want.